January 2, 2016. Panibagong taon, panibagong buhay. Ngayong araw na to, matutupad na yung isa sa mga pangarap ko, yung makasama ka habang buhay.
Ikaw yung kaklase kong ayaw akong kausapin, ayaw akong hiraman ng cycle, ayaw akong pagtanungan kahit magkatabi lang tayo sa physics subject. You were so mysterious, yet you were so cute.
Kaysid Marie Dakanay Karagan. Ang starter pack niya, simple lang, maganda, humble, sexy at sobrang sweet kaya nabihag ako.
As we face the new chapter of our love story, alam kong mas marami pang pagsubok, mas marami pang pag-aaway ang pagdadaanan natin, pero alam ko naman na mas marami pa tayong masasayang memories na gagawin. Lalo pa dadating na si Bobot sa atin.
Ikaw yung gusto kong makita tuwing pagising ko sa umaga. Ikaw lang yung gusto kong maging mami ng mga baby ko. Wala na akong ibang gustong makasama sa pagtanda.
Ed, Kaysid, may panahon pa para magbago ang isip ninyo. Itutuloy ba natin ang kasal? Okay. At mangangako kayong ang pagmamahal ninyo ay hanggang kamatayan.
Thinking back to the feeling that I had when I first saw your face, I knew that it was you.
Kaysid, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib ni Ed na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Ed, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib ni Kaysid na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
I just want you to know that even if we fight a million times over little things, we can still make it better. I meant what I said when I gave you that promise ring, that I'ma love you forever. Fall for you deeper every day, feeling now, girl, more than ever. But with our type of love, forever ain't enough.
You Bel. Edru, thank you for the 5 wonderful years. Today, I am yours for all of time. See you later and please don't be late. I love you so much, my prince. Hope you like it. Your Princess K.
You see me for who I am and not for who I'm not. No, I'm telling you that I'm sorry if I tend to treat you the wrong way. But I care, you know my heart is there. Even though I don't show it.
My princess, marrying you is the most wonderful moment of my life. I am yours forever, your prince.
That even if
Wow!
we can still make it better. I meant what I said when I gave you that promise ring, that I'ma love you forever. Fall for you deeper every day. But with our type of love, forever ain't enough. I've been searching my
Today, as I change my last name, I promise to understand you more when you're on your kulit mode, to wait for you longer when you are on your slow-mo mode.
Handa akong alagaan ka hanggang sa pagtanda natin, kahit pumuti pa yung buhok mo at mulubot na yung balat.
Ed Alejandro Sacdalan Fernandez, in front of all the people who are dear to us, I want to say, mahal na mahal kita and I can't wait to be your wife.
even if we fight a million times over little things, we can still still make it better. Meant what I said when I gave you that promise ring, that I'ma love you forever. Fall for you deeper every day. Feeling now, girl, more than ever.
Kung may pagkakataong mabubuhay ulit ako, ikaw pa rin yung babaeng pakakasalan ko. Dahil ako'y para sa'yo at ikaw lang yung mundo ko.
I've been searching my whole life. I'm lucky that I found